Hello everyone, this is TobeTada with another video of crypto trading. Thanks for checking by. Let's dive right in. So, of course, yesterday we had this massive increase in value of Bitcoin, which was all the way from about 7,500 to about 10,500, which corresponds to about 42% in increase in price. Now, that is quite significant increase in price, but it's not quite so unexpected. And what I mean by that is that we looked at the fractal here and compared this to the fractal here. You can see that in the last video. And we basically had a closer look at this drop here, which was basically a double drop here, dropped first, then corrected itself and dropped again to a lower point. And I've argued that we see something similar here, and we had a longer period where the price was in a sideways movement and going upward, and then we still had this second drop here. So that was a pretty successful anticipation of price movement by looking at the fractal here. And now, of course, after that, you can see we have a significant increase in price. Here, back in January, it was about a 30% in increase of price. So similar to here. Now, of course, what can we expect after this massive increase here? My experience tells me that normally the price does not continue to go upwards like this. There has to be some correction here. And in fact, we're already seeing that when the price came down from 10,500 to where it is now, which is 11% drop in price. But a guide, of course, is looking at the past here, and we can see after the increase in price, we had a drop down here of about 17%. And I'm fully expecting something very similar here. So I would expect the price to go down here. So basically going down to probably the level here, to about 8,400, 8,500. Now probably this will take a little bit longer, it's unclear, perhaps until November, December, before the price going upwards again. And of course, we can look at the past again to see what the price, or what we could expect the price to be doing here. And so I'm expecting here, after this massive increase, to be quite a sharp decrease again of about 20%. From the current levels, that would be about 10% to about 8,500, and before going upwards again. Now, I think if you've been following my videos, you might have a better idea of predicting prices, especially with Bitcoin, which is, to recap again, looking at the Fibonacci ratios, which gave us this correction point of about 7,700, and we saw that we were a little bit above and a little bit below that, but basically it was a very successful prediction here. And the other prediction we made was that we're going to see an increase in price again after this double dip. And that's exactly what we're seeing here. Now, I'm, as I've already said, absolutely positive we won't be seeing a price increase like this, so there has to be a correction. And if you look at the support levels here, there's a pretty good support down here at 8,300, 8,400, and that also corresponds to the correction we saw in the past here. All right, so I hope that is a good perspective on how things might evolve here. And if you like that, please let me know, and see you in the next video. Bye.